Heathrow Airport, London. Bones missed his flight. He found an alternative. Too small. Why does it say gate 13?
Bar farce. The wheel well fits one person. Altitude, 3,000 feet. The landing gear retracts. So does Bones. Cruising altitude, 35,000 feet. External temperature, -80. Bones develops a new hobby. 4 hours over the Atlantic. Bones realizes he did not plan the return trip. Final approach, JFK. The landing gear deploys. Bones was not prepared for this part. The plane landed in New York. So did Bones. In slightly different locations.